All right, guys, you ready to read this book? Today we are reading a book called Bear Snores On. And my kids really love this book, for the record. All right, so we're going to start our story in a cave in the woods. In his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. You can kind of see him there. He's tucked away even in all that cold. And I'll just kind of switch the page that we're on. Oh, there he is. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. Even through that big storm back there. My son said that that's what I do during storms too. I also snore like a bear. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. He's still snoozing. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. You guys see that little mouse creeping in there? Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark, too dank. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. He's gonna start a fire in there. Try and keep warm in that snow. He doesn't have all the fur that the bear has. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Still snoozing. He's probably not going to wake up now that he's got a fire to warm him. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Oh, now he's got more company. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Hey, put that fire to use. Made some tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. They're just having a good old time. But the bear snores on, still sleeping. What is going to wake this bear up? A badger scuttles by, sniff snuff in the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. Now they're a party of three, I guess. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in. All right, this is turning into a party. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. He is a hearty sleeper. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Think you guys know what's coming next. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look at him having a good old time. Bear's still snoring. Man. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear chew. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Look at that bear. Look at that bear sneeze. That got everybody's attention.
Bye.
And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. That's probably a little off guard, all these people in his den. They're ready to run out the door, huh? Everybody's going to fly
Hey,
the coop.
Dayton.
You've snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I've had none. And he whimpers, he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Yeah, they could make a whole new party even with him. Look at that, I think he thinks it's a good idea. Bear gulps, bear goggles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. They're all partied out. Now he's awake. But at least he had some fun with them for a while. And that is the book.
Friends, what?
Bear snores on.
Thank you.
Yeah,
You're
wasn't that
welcome.
wonderful?
It was my
Thank you.